Hey Praising and Savers, we are heading to Publix today. We're going to be using IBOTTA rebate. If you are not part of the IBOTTA program, please look in the description box for my coupon code for that. And also make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
First thing I'm picking up is this a fresh disposable cleaner. I actually really need this right now, so this is a great deal. These are $2.99. I have a $1 off coupon, and this coupon actually is going to expire on the 19th, and there is new coupons coming out that are like this as well. I believe it's going to be in Sunday's paper, making this just $1.99. And then there's an IBOTTA rebate, and it's for $1 back. So you're going to spend $1.99 at the register, and then you'll get $1 back, making these just 99 cents each. There's a limit of 3 on this, so you should go ahead and pick up all 3, use 3 coupons, and get these for 99 cents each. Picking up these for Freebies plug-ins. Now these are $3.19. I have this coupon that's going to be up to a $3 value, making these just 19 cents each. I've had a hard time finding these around the store, so I'm just going to pick these up anyways, even though they're not totally free, but better than nothing. Make sure you only pick up 2 at a time. I'm going to try out these Ronzoni 3-minute pastas. They're only going to be 60 cents a box after the buy one get one free and the 25-cent IBOTTA rebate. So what you're going to do is pick up 2 of these, and you're going to get a 25-cent rebate on each of these, taking 50 cents off, making it just $1.20 for both boxes together. I'm also going to pick up 5 boxes because there's a limit of 5 on the IBOTTA app, and I've also been told that there are 50 cents IBOTTA rebates on this, but mine's just a 25-cent IBOTTA rebate. I'm so excited about these Alpha Seltzers because these are the ones I love. They taste like little strawberry chewies, gummies or something, but they're $5.19. We have a $1.50 coupon coming off on that, and then we also have the $2 coupons in the extra savings flyer, and it's going to make, I think these are going to be like $1.70, I believe, or $1.69, something like that. So $1.69 for these. Great deal. I'm going to pick up 4 because I have 4 coupons. Awesome. You can get those as well. So just check my clearance section at my Publix, and the good thing about this clearance section at this Publix is it's like in a space where no one really goes near it, so there's tons of stuff on it. So these Central Multi Gummies are $7.49. I have this $3 coupon that's in the extra savings booklet, and then I also have this $4 coupon, probably one of those, I'll probably use that one, off on that. So that's $7 in coupons off, making this just 49 cents per bottle, and it's the only bottle they have, and my dad is going to love these. I'm going to pick up these Once Upon a Farm. This is going to be a moneymaker of 19 cents. So what we're going to do is we're going to get 2 of these at $2.50. We're going to submit to IBOTTA, and when you buy 2, you get back $2.69, making this a 19-cent moneymaker. I found these over here with the yogurts. They are near the Danimals and the Stonyfield Baby. So 19-cent moneymaker on the Once Upon a Farm dairy-free smoothies. I'm excited about this.
Hey guys, just left Publix, and I love it when my cashier tells me like, oh my gosh, you saved $35. And I was like, but just wait till I get home and submit my receipt to IBOTTA, Shopkick, Swag Bucks, and Fetch, and we'll see even more money roll in. So when I get home, I'll let you guys know what my total was, of how much I spent on everything today. I also want to share that if you are a couponer like me and you make videos like I do, a great thing that you could do is to get business cards. Now I use Zazzle for my business cards, and then when I'm in the store, I kind of stalk people's carts a little bit, and I see what's in their cart. I'm like, ooh, they've got some Tide, and I have extra Tide coupons, so I can give them a Tide coupon plus my business card, because I like to coupon and know people around me that would like to coupon too, just for like classes that are in person, that sort of thing. So anyways, just a little tidbit there if you ever wanted to start teaching people how to coupon. Connor, come tell everybody how much I spent. How much was it? $13. Okay, that's amazing. So everything totaled up to $20, and then I had $7 in IBOTTA rebates. Yeah, so that's $13 after everything. In the store, let me see what I have with the coupons. In the store, I had $19.38 in vendor coupons. I had $11 in store coupons and $6.73 special price savings, and I think that probably was that there. Remember, these were on BOGO, and then I had the 25-cent on IBOTTA for those. I had a coupon for $1 off of these, and then I had a $1 back rebate. These were a moneymaker of 19 cents because if you buy two, you get $2.60 back. So there's a lot of noise in my house right now. These were $3.19, and I had a $3 coupon on those. This was on the clearance rack for $7.49. I had a $4 paper coupon and also a $3 store coupon for these. These were $5.19. I had the $1.50 Alka-Seltzer coupon, and then I also had that $2 Alka-Seltzer coupon. And this is our favorite heartburn chewies. So I need to go because everybody's a little loud in my house right now, and that's okay. But yep, $13 for all of that there.